Hello guys, so today, we will build the best $1,500 gaming PC. So let's begin. For the CPU 7700X, in this sale, it's available for $244, which is very good value. We're talking a 5.4 GHz boost clock, 8 cores, 16 threads, which is all you need for gaming. To cool it, we will use the Thermalright 360mm AIO. For the MOBO, we're going with the Gigabyte X670 for $210, which is a steal. For an X670 MOBO, for the RAM, we will go with the 32GB of DDR5 RAM from Clef, clocked at 7200 MHz and CL34 timing, and all of that for $116 on Amazon. It also has a very clean RGB strip. For the SSD WD Black SN850X, with read speed of up to 7,300 megabits per second, which is very good value. For the case Montec XR, it has three 120mm pre-installed ARG fans. It's available for $65 on Amazon, which is pretty good value. And you can't forget it's a fish tank case. It looks absolutely beautiful. For bottom intake, get these case fans as well. For the PSU, get this MSI 850W PSU. It's available for $95 on Amazon, which is pretty good. You can get a 7900 XT for $630. I am not joking, it for real, $630. It has 20GB of VRAM and 320-bit memory bus, which is insane value. This Amazon sale is amazing. So yeah guys, that's it. See y'all later. Bye.